once you've made connections with people, we have a whole new series of holiday strategies for posting that will enable you to talk to more people and have a lot of fun in the process. The biggest holiday in June is Father's Day. But when you use these posts and these scripts, they will create more likes, more comments, and more shares, more conversations with prospects, more opportunities to introduce your business, creates better rapport with your prospects, increase awareness of who you are. It creates a perception that you're an expert to your niche audience, and it creates appreciation of your influencer status. You're such a smart, educated person, as well as enabling you to make a whole wealth of new friends. Now, the ripple effect of a simple post can result in sales because they start conversations. Wishing someone a happy birthday and using a GIF has been one of the most effective strategies that my students have used for over 25 years. Same thing now goes with holidays. Now, when you make a post on Facebook and 50 people like your post, it will get less visibility than if people use the heart, the love emoji. The more people that love your post, the greater visibility it will have. So whenever possible, whenever you have the opportunity to react to someone's post on Facebook, for that matter on LinkedIn as well, hit the heart. Love it. Don't like it. So here we are in June. There are 30 holidays in June that you can use to start conversations, resurrect conversations. Last Friday was National Donut Day. Tomorrow is National Chocolate Ice Cream Day. And on Wednesday, National Best Friends Day. Who ever heard of these holidays? Sunday, National Martini Day. On the 19th, we have Father's Day. That's the big one. And when you wish someone a happy Father's Day or a happy holiday, and you're using a GIF, a moving image, gets dramatic increased visibility. Then Tuesday, National Selfie Day. There's some other holidays, but I'm skipping over to July. Now, we're all familiar with the 4th of July. That's the big holiday. On the 6th, we got International Kissing Day. On the 11th, National Pina Colada Day. Hot Dog Day on the 20th. On the 23rd, National Vanilla Ice Cream Day. And then we move into August where you got 40 holidays. 40. Now, you're going to have many chances to tell people what you do as a natural part of the conversation you have with them on Facebook, on LinkedIn. But if it was going to cost you $500 every time you gave someone the link to your website, you would take the time to qualify them before you did and determine their potential, or you'd go broke. Simply ask your prospects questions to learn more about them. And when you let the conversation with your prospects flow naturally in the direction that each answer you receive takes you, you will end up talking to more people about your business, and you'll end up closing more sales. The truth is, you can't fail. You heard me. You can't fail. Anybody can do this. With unlimited prospects to talk to and with continual practice, you simply can't fail. The content of your profile and your daily activity positions you to be perceived as an expert and influencer by everyone that sees it. The secret to connecting with the huge pool of prospects available to you, attracting a constant flow of perfect prospects that easily convert to new business partners and customers, has to do with only 3 things. 1, the relationships you create, the influence you generate, and the conversations you initiate. The ability to get people to talk to you, follow you, take action, and join your team revolves around everyone's perception of who you are, which is completely in your hands and totally in your control. And so many of you have no clue that you're invisible, that people can't see your profile. People can't see what you're doing. Now, with my new tactics and strategies, you can beat your competition to connecting with the hottest prospects, produce immediate results and faster enrollments, position yourself as an authority to everyone in your niche market, ensure you'll be chosen over your competitors, enroll experienced leaders, and many more new reps, and duplicate the process with everyone on your team. Now I'm going to flip back over here. I'm going to come over here to LinkedIn. And I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. And let's look at some of you that are here. And let's bring up your LinkedIn profile. Okay, so Dana's here. Let's look at his contact information. I want you to notice he's got the open LinkedIn icon and the little bell over here. If you click on it, you'll get to see all of his posts. Let's take a look at Debbie. Well, Debbie, we go back to 2018. Go down here a little bit. Now, Debbie, one of the things that you can do is go over here and change the start month to June. And that's going to give you an anniversary. Get you all kinds of happy anniversary notices. Okay, well, Fav, a cover would be nice. You could also put your birthday down here. I'm not so sure I'd want to give people my address. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to list the name of your company on here. Not a good idea. They might say, why? Because you're not going to be the first person in your company to reach out to people. And if people do a lousy job of explaining your business, nothing's going to happen. So Les, I'm trying to find you.
I have a profile, but I haven't used it.
Okay. So do you see it there?
Okay. Gemini International. The second one.
Okay. Right. So you're basically just getting started. It doesn't take any time at all
Right.
to kick it off. So what you need to, obviously what you need to do is you need to put your work history on here, because it's all about, it's an online resume. So what are you trying to market? What are you trying to sell?
Basically right now, business to business.
Okay. And what, you know, when you're not doing that, what's your full-time job?
I'm retired.
Okay. Well, before you retired, what were some of the things that you did?
Telephone sales.
Okay. We are in the service,
No,
military. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to put this, you want to make this a resume. Okay, and you put down all the different jobs you've had in all the different industries. And that's going to make it easy for people to connect with you based on mutual interests, mutual attraction. That's the way it works. Now, you don't have to have things in common with people to talk about your business, but you are all creating these profiles for the audience that you're trying to reach, that you want to connect with. At the end of the day, that's what it's all about.